Hi guys, this is Lisa Gonzalez with Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort. I'm going to be showing you how to pair your smartphone to Bluetooth on a 2018 Chevrolet Impala Premier. So first you want to make sure to go to your home screen, go to the phone icon. It's going to ask you to pair device. Right now there's no devices paired. So click pair device. Now start a search on your smartphone also. So go to settings on your phone. You're going to make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. It is going to pop up underneath Chevy MyLink under available devices. That's the system that's trying to connect. We're going to press pair, make sure the codes match, and then press yes here. And now it's showing pairing device successful, V20 successfully paired. So now it'll show up when someone calls you. It's going to pop up on this screen, your contacts, recent calls, voicemail, everything will stream over. And that is how you pair your phone to Bluetooth on a 2018 Chevrolet Impala Premier.